Hello everyone, my name is Caleb Kyle. I am 6 years old. I am from Tadika Alpha Bidulu. Today I want to talk about a turtle and aquarium. A turtle is a living thing. It eats food, water, and air to live. It has a hard shell and it can swim. An aquarium is a non-living thing. It does not grow, move, or breathe. We use an aquarium to keep fish and turtles. Thank you for listening. Now let's watch my video of making a turtle and aquarium. That's all from me. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy my video. Bye bye.